Well, that kind of changes here with the Kasakan M05 boom arm. It's a 360 boom arm, low profile, but also extremely lightweight. Inside the box, of course, you have your pieces for your boom arm. You'll have an extender for it, cable management, additional microphone treads, an Allen wrench to adjust the... All right, and also there's another one here that I can adjust. All right, features 360-degree movement. I can move this anywhere, you know, and it moves really smoothly as well. You know, it's just like, yeah, and again, it's very lightweight. You can see how it's just kind of going. It's just swinging by. Very lightweight. Because there are no springs, I can take this here. I can bring this up. Okay, so that's how it handles itself on the boom arm. Let's talk about cable management. Let me get my XLR cable. I'll go ahead and plug it in. This actually holds your cable for USB cords. The smaller one is for USB, and then it opens up wider for the XLR cord. So what I can do is, I'll take it and I'll push it in between the gaps of the boom arm and slide it in there, and then it holds it there. And I can just do the same thing. Like I started off in the beginning, this is a very, very extremely lightweight boom arm.